Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Car Garage Hub. Today we will share a complete and detailed guide about the oil pressure warning light that appears on the dashboard. You can also note it down as a lesson for better understanding. So let's start the topic. Oil pressure warning light on car dashboard. The oil pressure warning light is one of the most important indicators on your car's dashboard. It alerts you when there is a problem with the oil pressure in the engine. Ignoring this warning can lead to severe engine damage. Why does the oil pressure warning light turn on? The oil pressure light illuminates due to the following reasons. 1. Low oil level. Insufficient engine oil can lead to low pressure. Solution. Check the oil level using the dipstick and add the correct type of oil if needed. Number 2. Faulty oil pump. A weak or damaged oil pump fails to circulate oil properly. Solution. Replace the faulty oil pump. Number 3. Clogged oil filter. A dirty or blocked oil filter restricts oil flow. Solution. Replace the oil filter regularly. Number 4. Worn engine bearings. Excessive wear in engine bearings can reduce oil pressure. Solution. Engine rebuilding or bearing replacement is required. Number 5. Faulty oil pressure sensor. A malfunctioning sensor may send incorrect signals. Solution. Test and replace the sensor if needed. Number 6. Using wrong or old oil. Incorrect oil viscosity or degraded oil can cause pressure issues. Solution. Use the manufacturer recommended oil type and change it regularly. Number 7. Oil leak in the engine. External or internal oil leaks reduce oil pressure. Solution. Identify and repair leaks immediately. What should you do if the oil pressure light comes on? Number 1. Stop the car. Immediately continuing to drive with low oil pressure can cause severe engine damage. Number 2. Check the oil level. Use the dipstick to check if the oil level is low. Number 3. Inspect for oil leaks. Look under the car for any signs of oil leakage. Number 4. Restart the engine. If the light turns off after adding oil, the issue may be resolved. Number 5. Call a mechanic. If the light remains on, get professional assistance to diagnose the problem. How to check oil pressure. Number 1. Using a dipstick basic check. Locate the oil dipstick. Pull it out, clean it, and reinsert it. Check the oil level and its color. Number 2. Using an oil pressure gauge advanced check. Attach the gauge to the oil pressure sensor port. Start the engine and monitor the pressure reading. Compare with manufacturer specifications. How often should you check oil pressure? Every 1,000-2,000 kilometers, check oil level using the dipstick. Every oil change, 5,000-10,000 kilometers, ensure proper oil pressure and replace oil. Filter as needed. If you notice performance issues, immediately check the oil pressure if you experience unusual engine noise or overheating. Consequences of ignoring low oil pressure. The engine overheating, lack of lubrication causes excessive friction. Increased engine wear. Metal parts grind against each other, leading to damage. Seized engine, prolonged low oil pressure can completely destroy the engine. Expensive repairs. Fixing a damaged engine is costly compared to regular oil maintenance. How to fix oil pressure issues. 1. Maintain proper oil levels. Regularly check and top up engine oil. 2. Change engine oil and filter. Follow the manufacturer's schedule for oil and filter replacement. 3. Inspect for leaks. Fix any oil leaks before they cause serious damage. Number 4. Replace faulty components. Change a worn-out oil pump, sensor, or bearings if necessary. Number 5. Use the correct oil type. Always use the recommended oil grade for your vehicle. Final advice. Never ignore the oil pressure warning light. It's a critical sign of engine health. Regular maintenance and timely oil changes will help keep your car running smoothly and avoid costly repairs. Ignoring low oil pressure can lead to serious engine damage and costly repairs. Make sure to check your oil levels regularly, follow maintenance schedules, and address any warning signs immediately. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Drive safe and take care of your engine. Thank you for watching this video. To see more such videos, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. If you found this video informative, kindly share your feedback.